Hello my friend, and welcome back to Survival Superhero. This right here is the new Fossibot F101 Pro rugged smartphone. It's a new mid-range rugged phone with a large battery and dual screens at a really low price. But is it really that much better than the standard F101 rugged phone? And is it worth your hard-earned dollars? Well, that is what we are going to find out in this video. Now, you can check the description below for links to get more information about the F101 Pro or to purchase one. And now let's get straight into this video, starting with the price. The F101 Pro is priced at $170 on Fossibot's website and $160 on AliExpress. But from November 11th through November 17th during the launch promotion, you can get it for $120 on the Fossibot website and as low as $100 on AliExpress. And if you buy it from Fossibot's website, it comes with free shipping, and no matter where you buy it, it comes with a 1-year hassle-free warranty from Fossibot. Now, what's in the box? Inside the box, we've got the phone, a USB-C cable, an 18-watt USB-C charger, the user manual, and a SIM card pin. Now, let's talk about the CPU. The F101 Pro has an octa-core MediaTek MT8788 chipset, which is a 12 nanometer SoC with 4 ARM Cortex A73 high performance cores, plus 4 Cortex A53 power efficiency cores, all operating up to 2 GHz. Now, Fossibot says that this offers a 100% better Antutu score, 153% better CPU performance, and 242% better GPU performance over the original F101 rugged phone. It also consumes 23.5 less power and transmits data 70% faster than the original F101 as well. The original F101 had a quad-core Helio A22 chipset, so the F101 Pro definitely has a better CPU. Now let's look at the size and the weight. The F101 Pro is 155.7 millimeters tall by 76.2 millimeters wide by 20.35 millimeters thick. And that is 6.13 inches tall, 3 inches wide, and 0.80 inches thick. And it weighs 350 grams or 0.77 pounds. This is the same size and weight as the original F101 as well. But the original F101 had a large speaker that stuck out a little bit from the frame that is not included in the thickness measurement, so technically the F101 Pro is a bit thinner if you include the speaker in the measurement. Storage. It's got 8 GB of RAM on board plus an additional 7 GB of virtual RAM. And it's got 128 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1 TB with a TF card. Now, the original F101 had only 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB internal storage, and it was expandable up to 3 GB. So the F101 Pro definitely offers better specs in this department as well. Now let's look at the battery. It comes with a 10,600 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging that gives you 15 hours of gaming, 16 hours of navigation, 100 hours of music, and 1,100 hours or 45 days in standby. Now, this is the same size battery and charging speed as the original F101, but the F101 Pro actually lasts longer because it consumes power more efficiently. Durability. It is rated IP68, IP69K dust-proof, and water-resistant with a waterproof SIM card slot. It features CNC crafting with anti-fall thickened rubber corners. Now, while it isn't mentioned on their website, in press releases, Fossibot says that the F101 Pro is rated military standard 810H drop resistant. Now let's check out the displays. So on the front, it's got a 5.45 inch HD Plus IPS display with 295 ppi, 77% screen to body ratio, and an 18:9 aspect ratio. Now on the back, we've got a secondary 1.32 inch round display with 360 by 360 resolution that you can actually use for lots of different purposes. You can use it like a normal watch to check the date and the time, and you can also use it as a timer, an audio recorder, use it to control music playback, check your notifications and your reminders, check your battery level, accept or decline calls, and for some quick photography. It comes with 16 different styles of watch designs that you can pick from for the rear display, and you can even design your own watch display as well. And by using the rear display, you will maximize the amount of life you get from the battery because the rear display consumes much less energy than the front display. Now, the original F101 did not have a rear display at all. It had a speaker on the back. So whether or not the F101 Pro is better in this category comes down to whether you prefer a second rear display or you prefer a very loud rear speaker. What about the cameras? On the back, it's got a 24 megapixel main camera with Samsung S5K 2L8 sensor, plus a 5 megapixel macro camera and a 0.3 megapixel bokeh camera. And on the front, it's got an 8 megapixel front facing selfie camera. Now what's cool is you can actually take selfies with the 24 megapixel rear camera using the rear display to line up your shot. And it does feature pro and night modes as well. Now Fossibot says they have improved this camera so it focuses faster and more accurately than the original F101 phone. Other features. It comes in 3 styles. We've got black geometric, orange geometric, and a crocodile pattern leather style. It runs Android 13, it features both Face ID unlock and fingerprint unlock, and it's got a customizable button on the side. It is HAC or hearing aid compatible, and unlike the original F101, it does support NFC. Final thoughts. The F101 Pro might be the right rugged smartphone for you if you need a dual screen rugged phone with a large battery under $200. All in all, it seems like a great bang for your buck, and it's definitely better than the original F101. Unless you really need a super loud speaker, and in that case, you want to check out the original F101. So, what do you think of the new Fossibot F101 Pro? What would you like to see from Fossibot in their next rugged phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Please do share this video if you have found it helpful, and then you can click right here for another great rugged smartphone video, and I will see you there.